Hi friends. In this video I am sharing with you, how to get back old Windows Photo Viewer on Windows 10. If you miss Windows Photo Viewer from Windows 7 or 8, after you have upgraded to Windows 10. Simply open up Settings and go to Apps, Default Apps. Under Photo Viewer, you should see your current default photo viewer, probably the new Photos app. Click this to see a list of options for a new default photo viewer. Assuming you upgraded to Windows 10 from a previous version of Windows, you should see Windows Photo Viewer as an option. Choose Windows Photo Viewer and exit the Settings menu. If you perform a clean installation of Windows 10, or buy a PC with Windows 10 already on it, you can't access Photo Viewer at all. The interesting thing is that Photo Viewer is still there. It's just hidden and you'll have to make a couple of registry edits to have it show up. After you do that, you can then set it as your default photo viewer. Go to this video description, find Windows Photo Viewer registry file download link. Click on it, then download. After that, extract downloaded file. There is two files, one is activate, other one deactivate. If you want activate old Windows Photo Viewer, double-click activate.reg file. Choose yes, then OK. Windows Photo Viewer will be activated. Go to Picture File, right-click on it. Go to Open With, then choose another app. Scroll down, then More App. Scroll down, and select Windows Photo Viewer. Tick Always use this app to open .jpg files. Click OK. Now the file open with Windows Photo Viewer. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.